Hey, this is Eric Griffey from the Fort Worth Weekly. Welcome to Soundcheck 817, our weekly concert preview series that will be posted on Blotch. Joining us today is the great Jacob Furr. Jacob will be playing tonight with Cody Culberson and Two Ton Folk at the Live Oak. So, Jacob, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. So, let's talk about the album you have out and what's going on with you musically these days.
We put out a record called Trails and Traces in September of last year. Crowdfunded it back in February of last year, so it's been a pretty long process for that record, but it came out in September, and just been playing the songs as much as possible and touring.
And you're working on some new stuff now?
Yeah, I have a little small batch of new songs that are hopefully going to go on a new one by the end of the year, maybe?
Very cool. End of the year, he promised.
Possibly. If the last two will come along.
So you recently had a change in your musical career a little bit.
Yeah, stopped working jobs and decided to go all the way into music, so just play music all the time.
Very cool. Full-time musician right here.
Music.
So you're going to play
smart decision. I'll tell you, real smart decision.
It always works
I recommend it for everybody.
I'm sure it'll work out for you.
Non-musicians.
So you're going to play us a song?
Yeah, for sure.
What are you going to play for us?
This is one of the new ones. This is called Easy Waves. I wrote this with Jody Jones, who lives in Los Angeles now. Jody. Everybody knows Jody Jones.
Everybody knows.
Yeah,
Shout out to Jody Jones. I'm sure he's following us on
He
Periscope.
should probably be. I know he does. Yeah, he's got one of those fancy phones.
So thank you again to Jacob Furr for joining us tonight at the Live Oak with Cody Culberson and Two Ton Folk. The doors open at 7. Take it away.
The sun is quickly fading. Let's chase away the dark. And remember the joy we've tasted from lemon wine and rye. Throw your head back, sing this lonesome song. Chasing days, easy ways, pull my heart up to the sun. Call your name, let the waves wash over me. Set truth in the smoke rings, 'cause I've been burning cigarettes, walking the edge of sorrow. Well, I heard love's not through with me yet. Chasing days, easy ways, pull my heart up to the sun. Call your name,